Well, new stuff. We always need new tools.
Vevor.
From Vevor. Vevor, what have we bought?
Tough tools, half price. See that? Have you mentioned Vevor in this video?
Once, maybe.
Vevor.
Vevor, again.
Maybe if we say Vevor, hashtag Vevor.
They could have made it lighter.
Vevor.
Vevor. Oh yeah, hashtag Vevor.
Vevor. Okay.
What have we have bought?
And if you're wondering why I'm eating prawn crackers, it's Thursday Chinese.
Well, what have we bought? Oh, it's got
It's got
childproof.
Childproof locks on it.
There we go.
Stud gun.
Stud gun.
Is it like a stud detector? Get that? Did you like that joke?
I can use it.
Is that a lightsaber?
Yeah.
Jeez,
Yeah.
that's heavy.
Yeah, so we bought a stud gun, dent puller.
We got some work to do on these shelves. You, out the back. So,
We got all these fittings, so I don't know. We'll give it a go.
yeah.
I'm sure it'll be good.
Vevor. Vevor, did we mention Vevor tools?
Yeah, we should mention it once or twice more
In this,
times
yeah,
again.
Vevor.
Vevor.
Look at that.
That's it.
Vevor. Yeah.
New stuff's always good.
Yeah.
Di, did we get a sticker?
Oh, yeah, where's the sticker?
Vevor.
Vevor. Oh, yeah, where's the Vevor sticker?
Well, they're not a car parts place, so that's probably
I
right.
need to learn.
Yeah.
Men like stickers.
Stickers. You could have stuck it on our door.
Mm.
Okay.
Vevor.
Vevor.